Good morning, children. Welcome to the new academic session 2021. Here, we all the teachers, under the guidance of our respected principal sir, are trying to reach you through the virtual way of learning. Children, watch the video carefully and do your homework. In the lower classes, we have already studied about the favorite food items, ingredients present in it, different methods of its preparation, and its preservation. Now, in this class, we have the first unit in science as food components. Essential components of food. Food has many different components such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each and every component has its own function in the growth and protection of our body. In addition to this, water and dietary fibers or roughages are also an important components of food. Now coming to what are roughages. Some of the food components that are necessary for our body are called roughages or dietary fibers. Plant foods are the rich sources of roughages. Roughages are a kind of carbohydrates that our body fails to digest. Now coming to functions of roughages, it helps in the free bowel movement and it prevents constipation. Some of the sources of dietary fibers includes fruits, vegetables, wheat and cereals. Now what are the vegetable sources of roughages? Pumpkin, sweet potato and spinach are the vegetable sources of roughages. Coming to fruit sources of roughages, it includes apple, papaya and banana. Children, here I would like to give you one tip that before consuming fruits and vegetables, you have to wash it thoroughly with the salt water. Now we have necessity of water, that is importance of water. Water is an essential component required by our body. Every day, human beings must consume at least 8 glasses of water. About 72% of our body contains water. Water helps to keep our body hydrated. So children, you must drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Lastly, functions of water. It supplies vital nutrients to the life of every cell. It regulates our internal body temperature through sweating and respiration. It helps in the digestion process and it forms saliva. It also helps in flushing water from our body through urine. Here are the next slide, we can see the fruits and vegetables which are rich in water. So we have cucumber which almost contains 96% of water, tomatoes which contains 94% of water. Then we have fruits like watermelon, grapefruit which are very rich in water. In addition to this, we have broccoli, carrots, lettuce, spinach which are the rich sources of water.